project for today. We're going to smooth this transition in this driveway. There's never really been a driveway here. The ground's pretty hard, so they just drove on it. But we're gonna put some gravel down. We're gonna smooth that transition back there. Smooth this up. There's a few potholes around here in the front. We're gonna do a little bit of dirt work there. Come around here and smooth this up a little bit. It's got a few potholes and humps, and big old hole down there, and pretty much fill all this in with rock, make a big parking area, and make a circle drive. We got this parking area prepped. Still probably needs just a little bit of work. It's roughed in, tracked in. Probably need a little bit right here to transition this better. We got these few holes filled in, smoothed up, and that was using all the material on site we had. They had some topsoil, pretty good dirt from another project. We brought them last year. We still got to do a little bit there and straighten up this, transition it better, but we're gonna go get a dump truck and load of dirt. Well, I lost one of my chains. This chain right here from my dump truck to tailgate my rock. I found that one laying in the road, but I looked, made 2 trips, can't find it. So I'm gonna have to make new chains mid-project. Well, it all works out. I got lucky. I had this, it looks like stainless chain. And 2 of these pieces laying in the shop. One of them already had a hook on it, so they're a hair bit longer than my old ones, which I desperately needed. These were too short when you tailgate road gravel, like pit run gravel. So having another couple lengths won't hurt nothing. that's the finished product. Customer's gonna wait to do that circle part, connect that. We're gonna do that at a later date. But this is the finished product after we tracked it in. This is a 1" to quarter screened gravel. It's out of a topsoil. The topsoil is full of gravel, so that's why it looks brown. That material was down from yesterday. We put this load today. That's the spot we're gonna do at a later date. But we're gonna call this one done and go on to the next one.